Okay, well, we're in the Sandpiper Bay area, second floor, I guess, condo. They're doing some remodeling. I guess it must have been a recent purchase or something like that. And we're clearing out all the things that were left from whoever. And we have to take everything in this little tiny elevator. Ding, ding. The elevator's not working very well. So we're going to pull out 2 loads of unwanted furniture and stuff. We're going to pull out 1 load now, and then we're going to pull out another load probably in the morning. This way we don't have to be here too long. I guess the gentleman has some things to do. Anyway, well, this is where we're going to be working today.
And there's AC. There's AC. So let's close the door to keep the AC in.
Okay. So, we're going to be pulling out dishwasher, refrigerator, that microwave stove stack combo, a bunch of this debris, these mirrors, cabinets, wall units I should say, couches out there. In here taking the mirrors, mattresses, king size bed, platform thing, chair, blah blah blah. A whole lot of fun. And last but not least, we'll take that apart and ceiling fan. Alright, well, that's a little walkthrough of what my day is going to be like, or what my next 2 hours are going to be like, actually. Anyway, well, I got to get to work.
And just in case, he's waving. You know, sometimes you see his arm and that's it. You don't see the rest.
I know it's in the screen, in the shot. I know where my arm is. I hope it's in the shot. Dirty face.
No, stop lying. You hit me.
Alright, so this well, that's the end of the first load. The landfill is already closed for the day. It closed a little while ago, so we're just going to drop it off first thing in the morning and finish the job tomorrow. Ready? Now we're going to get some food. Food, food, food.